Hey guys, so today we'll learn about GitHub. GitHub provides you a beautiful visual interface which helps you to track or manage your version control projects locally. At a high level, GitHub is a website and cloud-based service that helps developers store and manage their code. To understand what exactly GitHub is, you need to know two connected principles, version control and Git. So Git is a version control tool that will allow you to perform all kinds of operations. To create a repository, to fetch data from the central server to the local repo, or to push data from local repo to central repo. So basically a repository is a storage space. Short form is repo. So GitHub is a company that allows you to host your code on a central repository or a remote server. If you look at the image, GitHub is a central repository and Git is a tool which allows you to create a local repo. Now, people usually get confused between Git and GitHub, but it's actually very different. Git is a version control tool that allows you to perform all kinds of operation, from creating a repo to fetching data from the central server to your local repo or pushing data from your local repo to the central repo. Whereas GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control collaboration. So once you register on GitHub, you can connect with social network and build a strong profile. So in next tutorial, we'll learn how to create a free account on GitHub. Thank you. Hey guys, so today we'll learn